So could you please share something about the Awadh Tinkering Lab?
This is the first lab of this kind in which we have developed some technologies, BLE based technologies, that is used by students to learn about the basic Bluetooth functionality, and also there are some robotics kits to get the students to know about the coding as well as the innovation part, because the curiosity of the students is very much needed for the development of any product or any design. And once they are done with the kits and all the modules that provided in the Tinkering Lab, students will able to design their own prototypes, own products. Some of the innovation that can go beyond prototyping, we will be able to fund the students for the next phase of the product development.
How do you think the Awadh Tinkering Lab will be beneficial for the students?
I want students to explore this lab more and more. After the exploration, I guess student will be able to design products as well as prototypes that will be solving their real world problems. In the current scenario, actually most of the students are unable to get the ideas, and if they have any idea, they are unable to implement because of the hardware constraint. And now we have provided the hardware in this Tinkering Lab. You will be able to implement the models, and after the implementation you will be able to troubleshoot and code all the things you can do. This can help the students in the curriculum as well as developing their coding skills.
After 6 months of being a part of the Awadh Tinkering Lab, where do you think the students will stand in the future?
So I think for the first 6 months, we would want to them build their basic concepts into ideas. We would definitely want to see them turning those ideas into a good innovative prototype where they have a basic understanding of the technology segment. And after 6 months, like I said, you have a CPS lab as well in Tula. They should be able to work out on those hardware products. The entire nation is looking out for the young kids who are building out those products. So maybe down the line in next 2 years or 3 years, when they are ready, when they are mature enough from going out from your CPS lab plus our Tinkering Lab, they will be able to build their own ideas, their own startups as well, or maybe to turn out as an entrepreneur for the future there.
This is a small technological gift for my fellow mates and my students for TIS. I just learned that this is the first of its kind in India. The basic idea behind this lab is to get the interest of my students to have more technology in their hand, in their minds, and they get attracted to technology just not by doing things but by learning it, how to make it, and with a fun thing. So for example, we must have seen the series called Squid Games, and there is a game when there is a doll standing and you run when there is a green light and then you stop when there is a red light. So similar technology has been installed in your labs, and students can put a strap of the light and have some fun games. So that is what the idea is.
Tula's international school, ranked the #1 boarding school in North India.